Hi, we're going to do the unboxing of the HP Inktank 315 printer. This printer offers high volume printing at extremely low cost per page. So let us unbox this printer and set it up. Using a cutter, cut the side of the tape on the box. These are the contents in the box. Let's remove them and go through each item. So these are the items that were removed from the printer. We have the setup guide over here. I think this is the reference guide. These are the print heads for the printer. Over here we have the software CD, some information on the print heads and ink. This is a fill-up sheet for some product information. We have also got the repacking instructions for this printer that comes with a repacking plastic bag. Of course, we have the printer itself. And let's see what's in this box. So we've got the ink bottles, as well as the USB cable and the power cord. So these are the items that come with the printer in box. So we have removed the items from the box. Let us now unwrap this printer. So just do a simple cut in the shrink wrap and remove the shrink wrap from the printer. So over here we have got the setup poster. So this is the setup poster. We'll refer to this later. So there's a piece of cardboard over here. Remove this piece of cardboard, as well as this piece of cardboard over here as well. Now that we have removed the shrink wrap from the printer, let's take a look at the setup poster. So it's asking us to power on the printer, followed by filling the ink tanks, and finally installing the print heads. So let's do that. Make sure you insert the power cord into the back of the printer. Over here. Once you have done that, power on the printer. The printer is powered on. Now that the printer is powered up, let's fill the ink tanks with ink. So this is the black ink bottle. Let's remove it from the shrink wrap. After removing the ink bottles from the shrink wrap, let's top up the ink tank. But first you need to unscrew the black ink bottle and there's a peel tab over here. So simply peel off the tab from the bottle. Replace the cap after peeling off the peel tab. Next, open up the ink tank lid and remove the cap from the ink tank. Then you open up the cap for the ink bottle and place it over the ink tank. Fill the ink right up to the line over here. Then remove the bottle. Put back the ink tank plug. Repeat with the cyan ink. So remove the printhead from the packaging. So this is the black printhead. Remove the plug. Do the same for the tricolor printhead. Remove the plug. Next, open up the front door, as well as the printhead access door. Once the printhead access door is open, the carriage will move to the center. You'll notice there is an orange device over here. What you need to do is to turn it clockwise and pull it out. Next, you need to press on the blue latch and you can remove the orange plug. Take the black printhead, use a pull tab to pull off the tape. Be careful not to touch the contacts or even the printhead itself. Insert the black printhead into the right side of the carriage. Push it all the way in until it is properly in place. Next, with the tricolor printheads, pull out the tape using the pull tab and insert it into the left hand side of the carriage. Once again, push all the way in. After installing the printheads, remember to push down the blue latch. Then you close the printhead access door as well as the front access door. Once the printheads are installed, the next thing to do is to install the paper into the printer. First, pull out the input tray. Next, with a small stack of plain paper, insert it into the input tray. But first, you may want to push the width adjuster to the left. Then put in the paper and push it all the way to the right hand side. Then, using the width adjuster, push it until it touches the paper. After that, pull out the output tray as shown. After installing the paper into the printer, you need to do an alignment. On the display itself, you'll notice that it is having a blinking P. To do the alignment, you need to press the paper icon for 3 seconds. Once you have pressed the paper out icon, you'll notice that the blinking P has now turned to an A. And the printer is now printing the alignment page. The alignment page has been printed. Following the instructions on the alignment page over here, let's place it on the scan glass. Align the alignment page to the right bottom, which is the datum for the scan glass. After doing that, on the control panel, press the color copy button. The printer will now scan the alignment page. Once the alignment is done, you'll notice that on the control panel itself, it has turned to a 0. So it has turned from A to 0. You may now continue the rest of the setup by installing the software for your printer.